Hello there and welcome to Domino Chinese version something. It's at least very, very new indeed. Fantastic to have you all here, and we are super excited to show you the new interface and the new features that we're bringing here with Domino Chinese now. Now, before that, I'd like to take a little moment here and discuss with you a little bit about our philosophy, and I hope you don't mind. Since our start in 2013, it's been quite a lot of years. In 2013 here, our goal has been to make, ever since, it's been to make Chinese easy to learn, easy to reach, easy and available to people who may both lack the time and resources to study in traditional ways. We have always wanted to be a one-stop shop for Chinese, a place where you can actually learn the whole language, not just the videos, not just the flashcards, not just the exercises or just the online learning, but actually a place where you can master Chinese just in this one little place. That is why, for the last few years, we've been working hard on releasing flashcards, dialogues, dictionaries, forums. I can go on forever here with blogs, iOS apps, Domino Classrooms, the most recent update as well, and much more as well. With the release of version, I guess this is 5, our intent is to bring all of these changes now together and make it easy to know what to do next. And let's start with the dashboard here. The point with it is to point you to help you find what to do next and find it fast as well. It consists of 3 different buttons basically. Study here will take you to the next class. It'll send you basically straight into where you last left off. Once you're done with a lesson mastery quiz, you'll be brought back to the dashboard here again. Review is our new lesson-based flashcards. It'll take you into the highest priority set of flashcards. We recommend that you always do a deck or 2 of flashcards after each lesson in the study section. Practice here, the 3rd section, sends you off to different lesson-based dialogues that are a great way to practice your reading and writing comprehension. Note that all of these sections also have their corresponding menu item where you will find a landing page for each individual study method. The basic philosophy here is study, review and practice. So a rule of thumb here is after each lesson, check out some flashcards, and after 1 or 2 decks, head over to practice for some exercises, and then rinse and repeat. To the right on your dashboard, you will find the upcoming Domino Classrooms. If you want to take Chinese to the next level with an online classroom, teacher, classmates, and all of that good stuff, don't hesitate to check this out. Okay. On the bottom, you find different information about your progress, such as what HSK level you're prepared to take at this point in time, and how many words you have learned at the point in time as well. This will be further expanded with features during 2022. The structure of the course is also updated and can be reached easily by clicking the home button when on the study lesson landing page. If you click on the home button, you'll be taken to our Domino courses. Each of these courses roughly symbolizes or represents a 3-month period of study in our Domino classroom. Beginner Chinese is for absolute beginners, but please don't just skip it if you already know some Chinese. This course lays all the beautiful foundation to the rest of your entire Chinese knowledge. At Conversational Chinese, which is the next course, you'll be able to have conversations in Chinese. Well, pretty self-explanatory, I guess. The foundation here has been laid by this point, so now we start speaking and writing quite extensively. During our 3rd course, we step it up yet another notch. We'll start reading long stories and conduct equally long dialogues entirely in Chinese. And then we arrive at the 4th course, which is the one I want everyone to lay their aim at, Fluent Chinese course. Here we will only speak in Chinese, with some few exceptions. You can follow through and study many more courses all the way through to HSK 5 and actually beyond even. Pricing now. The pricing for the course is something we have been thinking about for a long time, and take me seriously when I say that. We want to make Chinese available to people. At the same time, our low pricing has left us hurting since we cannot make any discount deals and have a hard time getting resources to develop Domino and to advertise Domino properly. We also offer a lot more services now than we did in the beginning, so we have decided to update the pricing. Before I continue, I want to make it clear that this does not affect your current subscription. You can keep your existing plan forever if you want. We will never change that price of your existing subscription. However, you won't be able to update your subscription to anything but these new subscriptions. Now let's take a look at these pricings then. Try for Free offers the whole chapter 1 and also offers a series of onboarding videos on how to use the platform. We have removed basic subscription for new users and increased the price for professional for new people that sign up. We have kept the ambassador price level, but it will only offer flair and cosmetics. This ambassador price plan then fundamentally does not give you any wider access to study material. This is for people that think we are simply doing a good job and want to support us, and we thank you in advance for that. We have also added Classroom to the pricing page, something that has been long overdue. PS now, if you have any questions about the pricing updates or anything at all, did you know that we also have a Discord server for all of our students where you can ask us anything? Come in and chat with us now. Please do it now. Link can be found below, somewhere here, below this video, or around it somewhere. Okay, so we all hope you enjoy the new updates and take advantage of all of the different features that Domino Chinese offers. We will be on standby to fix any early bugs and issues, and remember, you can report bugs to us directly by using the report feature. Yeah, you can see it right here. Lots of love from us, and we hope that you all had a great start to this 2020 Year of the Tiger, and I'll see you in class.